Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI FreeBuds 4i, and I will show you how you can move them to the pairing mode and how you can connect them with your smartphone. In this case I have here iPhone. So right now you have to open case with your FreeBuds 4i, and next you have to move them on the right, and as you can see here we got button. We have to click and hold it for 2 seconds until this indicator on front start blinking on white color. So let's make it. Click hold and release when indicator is blinking. Keep that case open. Open settings, Bluetooth settings on your phone, and take a look on the other devices. On the available devices list, they pops here, so we have to tap on them once, and we are connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.